Welcome to Duke Hop Group. We are a trusted partner in precision technology and advanced manufacturing solutions. With over 20 years of experience, we are leaders in CNC machining and metal manufacturing. We own 2 state-of-the-art factories covering more than 10,000 square meters, incorporating technologies from Japan, Germany, and Taiwan. Our main products include precision parts, forklift components, and robotic welding assemblies. We hold the ISO 9001:2015 certification and provide high-quality products. Our products help reduce costs by up to 30% while maintaining high quality. We proudly maintain a 99% on-time delivery rate, earning the trust of our customers. Our engineers and technicians are constantly trained to the latest technologies and strict standards. Duke Hop Group serves customers worldwide, including in the United States, Europe, Japan, Korea, and more. Our products are widely used in industries such as automotive, forklifts, robotics, and automation equipment. We are constantly driving technological innovation to improve the efficiency and precision of our manufacturing processes. We value a culture of innovation, integrity, and putting people at the center of everything we do. Duke Hop Group is committed to delivering high-quality products and continuously meeting customer expectations. Let's build success together. Visit kokehaibakwa.vn to learn how we can solve your next manufacturing challenge. Duke Hop Group. Let's grow together and build success.